Alright guys, it's been a while since you've seen me. I've been busy here. Like I said, pretty much from the beginning of mid-June right till September now, almost every weekend I've got jammed up where I'm not really around on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. But I'm still going to town on Terry's car. What I've done is I've just dropped my Model A. People ask about my Model A, I've just stopped on it. Not going to get back to it till Terry's car is done. His car is priority on the list, not mine. It's not a big deal. I can do mine over the winter, so I didn't get to drive it this year, so what? It's not like it's going anywhere. So what I'm on today is, this is the engine that was in Terry's car. It's not the original engine when it was being a show car back in the day. Originally it was a 6-cylinder, I think, that had a couple carbs on it, and then Court took the 6-cylinder out and he'd bought himself a 55 Chevy that had been in an accident, and it had a good low mileage 265 in it, and they pulled the engine out of that, and Jack had done some work to 265, and so when Court had it had a 265 in it with the old 3-speed and the 55 rear end, which the rear end is still in it, and it's still the same transmission as when Court had it, and Bruce and all those guys. But this, when Terry got the car, the old engine was no good, it was gone, so this is just a 350 he had put in there. So I'm going to take it all apart, we're going to go through it all, get it all done, going to, freshen it right up, and we'll just leave it to 350. I'm not going to look around for a 265. I'm not going to go to that extent, so that's something that may not be completely correct as when Court and Bruce were showing it, but the hood's never going to be opened. We'll doll it up with some nice fin valve covers, a few little chrome goodies, we'll put the intake on, it's got the oil filler tube, and we'll make it look nice for what it is, right? The car itself, we got it all in first primer, and Sean's blocking her out now, and then it gets a quick light primer again. That'll be final primer, and you block it again, you paint it, that's right, and we still got to get it together and get everything done, and I got 8 weeks here, 8 weeks, and like I said, I'm not around on weekends, and it's just it's basically myself and Sean doing it. Sean's handling the bodywork and the primer work, I'm handling all the mechanical, the welding that needed, the assembly, everything. So here we go. There it is. You can see he's got the guide coat on here and he's blocking it all out. You can see we've stripped the dash right down. So doors off, everything. Trunk lid, doors, it's all off. We're going to clean it all up. See all the original old paper shit from in the day. Like, they didn't even do anything with it when they were showing the car. They left it. This is stuff I'm going to try to do, but it's last on the list. If I've got time to do it before the show, I will, and if I don't, so be it. It was like that then, it can stay like that now, but I will try and do something with it. I'm definitely cleaning it all up underneath the hood area, like I say. I mean, we're painting all the firewall, which was never done in the day. We're having all the inner fenders repowdered. Yeah, so that's about it there. Like I say, we'll get the firewall painted up, make it look nice. She's coming along. We're going to get her to the show. The crunch is on right now. Like I say, we have to work during the day too. Like, I know a lot of you guys are seeing me post pictures and that, and you're probably thinking, oh, they're working on the old Chevy every day, but we're not. We still are only spending like 2 days a week on this car. So we got 8 weeks to go here, and like I said, I got a lot of weekends planned with other stuff going on. So, but I'll get it done. We'll get her done. We'll get her there. She'll look beautiful. So anyway, I'm going to get back to ripping that engine apart. So I'm going to make sure you guys got to see some stuff. I'm off to the chrome shop actually Monday. The front bumper is done. The rear bumper I've already got here with the guards and that. So the front bumper's done. And I'm picking up all the stainless from Pete's Pick and File. Mr. Pete, thank you so much. Pete took care of the stainless for us. And I know he probably did a beautiful job. He always does. So I'm very excited over that. So that's good. That helped out a bit. That he did that for us. Beautiful. Alright. Alright, well, I got got an oil drained out of it and stuff like that. Antifreeze, gonna pull the frost plugs here, the intake, got her on a stand now. Get the oil pan off it, timing cover. Just get her ready, get her all taken apart. Get her ready for the overhaul. So that's what's going on right now, guys. Not too much exciting here. Model A frame still buried over there in the corner. Okay. So she's still covered up. I never did get any further with it. I got all the brakes done. Brakes are bled, pumped up, waiting to go for that end. So basically I just got to lift the body on the frame, and that's where we go. So there you are. Nothing too exciting on this Sunday fun day. There's no point filming a car getting blocked and taking an engine apart, is there? So with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We're gonna be getting some T-shirts made. Hang on one second here. Let me see if I got something to show you. Yeah, here we go. Here, I got these decals made. We're gonna be selling these at the show. So here we go with the decals. So we got one made up, Carried Away, Top 10 Custom Award, which it did win, which we've got here. You know, then we did another one. Same, but we just put Resurrected. We are not the builders. We just resurrected it. Old Time Garage. Brought her back. So we got those, and we got some T-shirts to match. That'll be coming soon. I think T-shirts are like 4 weeks out. So, oh, here's something. Here's my Model A dash. Actually, I don't know if I can't remember. It's been so long since I've done videos. There's my gauges in, and my little radio delete. Chrysler radio delete, if you remember. Anyway, you can see. Look at the shine on that. So anyway, there's my. I did start putting it together. But yeah, so that's about it. So watch for those. Again, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Sorry the videos are a little short. You haven't seen many. Like I say, I've been going out of town lots. I'm pretty much gone every Friday. I'm out of here, not back until Sunday or Monday. So, and I got a lot to get done here. So, got to get down and start working some late nights when I am here. But anyway, we'll see y'all later. And I'll try and get some more videos up of what's actually happening in the shop besides the custom car. See you later.